Hello and welcome to the U-Select Equipment Review Show. Today we're doing the Merrychef E3 Accelerated Oven. So, why use the E3? Merrychef are a very big brand. They make a lot of very lovely pieces of equipment, and this one was the piece of equipment they built their empire on. It's one they sold to Subway, and Subway used to heat up their bread, and which you probably have seen if you've been to one. This uses convection heat, a normal oven, plus microwave heat. Those two things together make this cook faster than conventional cooking methods. They were the first people to combine it. It's a very good oven. It works very well. There are millions have been supplied all around the world. Because of that, because it's been around a little while, it's not the latest technology, which actually makes it the best value Merrychef. So if you are not serving lots of people very quickly, you just want to make food quickly to order, this might be the best value way to do that. Because it's about 10 times faster than normal cooking, you can really speed up your production. It has a catalytic converter on it. What does that do? Well, it means that you don't need quite so much ventilation when you use it. It actually takes out the smoke. It does require a lot of power because of these two technologies. If you have three-phase, this is probably best for this unit. It's a very lovely machine, but you do need to make sure that you clean it because there's such high temperatures in there with the microwave and the convection. If you don't clean it every single day, it can very quickly go wrong and end up being in a very bad state, and then it will stop working and it will not do a good job for you, and it's very difficult to put right. So make sure you clean it. If you want a good value Merrychef, this is probably the one for you. It's not as fast as the other ones, the E4 or the E2S, so if you're doing a lot of food very quickly, you do need to make sure you probably go for those. You also need to make sure you buy your accessories from Merrychef as well, because they don't automatically come with the unit, and that is something you really do need as well, so think about that before you buy. But generally, it's a Merrychef. It will do you very well. If you look after it, it will look after you. A very good unit indeed. There you go.